Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very quick and easy, healthy and instant traditional breakfast recipe with ragi, which can also be had as an evening snack. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I have 2 cups of leftover ragi dosha batter. So into that I'm adding in a handful of finely chopped dill leaves, 1/4 inch of ginger chopped, 5 to 6 shallots finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. You can increase or decrease green chilli to suit your taste. Like if you're making this for children, decrease green chilli accordingly. There is already salt in the ragi dosha idli batter, so I'm not adding in any extra salt. However, if you feel, you can add in a little bit of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of hing, also known as kayam in Malayalam. And now I'm just going to mix all this well. Note that this is a thick ragi idli dosha batter. I have already uploaded how to make ragi idli dosha batter. Links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. You can make this as a quick and easy instant breakfast or as an evening snack. I'm heating my cast iron paniyaram pan, also known as unniyappa chatti here in Kerala. Once the pan is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and then grease it with gingerly oil. And make sure you grease the sides of the mold also. Now into each mold add in about 1/4 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. You need very less oil to make this paniyaram, so it's a very healthy, quick and instant breakfast or snack option. Pour in 1 ladleful of the leftover ragi dosha batter into each mold. And cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. Let's open the lid and carefully turn each paniyaram. So once all the paniyarams are turned over, allow it to cook on low flame for about a minute. Also note that when you're using a cast iron pan, make sure that it is well seasoned. Otherwise the paniyaram will stick to the cast iron pan. So this is a very healthy, very tasty, instant and quick traditional recipe which you can include in your weight loss meals. Once done, carefully remove it to a plate. You can even have this as a lunchbox meal and carry to work. You can enjoy this with the coconut chutney or homemade pickle of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy, traditional, instant and quick ragi paniyaram recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.